Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to download your CMAT result 2026 scorecard. Along with that, I will also explain important dates, required login details, common issues, and what to do after downloading your result. So, make sure you watch this video till the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's first look at the important dates related to CMAT 2026. The exam was conducted on January 25, 2026 and the response sheet was released on 1st Feb 2026. The result is expected between 13 to 15 Feb 2026, although these dates are tentative. The admission process is expected to begin in the last week of Feb and continue until April 2026. Candidates should regularly check the official NTA website for exact confirmation and updates. Before downloading your result, keep 3 important details ready. You will need your application number, which is your registration ID received during CMAT 2026 registration. You must also enter your date of birth exactly as mentioned in your application form. Lastly, complete the security captcha shown on the screen to access your result securely. Now, let's understand the step-by-step process. First, visit the official website cmat.nta.nic.in and click on the CMAT 2026 result or scorecard link on the home page. Then, enter your application number and date of birth, complete the CAPTCHA verification and click Submit. Your scorecard will appear on the screen. Carefully verify your personal details, section-wise scores, overall percentile and all India rank. Download the PDF immediately and save it on your device, cloud storage and email. Also, print multiple hard copies for admission purposes. Your CMAT scorecard includes your full name, roll number, category and photograph for identification. It also shows your section-wise scores, overall percentile, all India rank, exam date and slot details. The scorecard remains valid for 1 year and can be used for MBA admissions for the 2026 to 2028 batch. On result day, the website may load slowly due to heavy traffic. If you face issues, wait and refresh the page, use incognito mode, switch browsers or devices and ensure a stable internet connection. If problems continue, clear your browser cache, disable VPN, update your browser or try using mobile data. If you still face issues, contact the NTA help desk through the official website with your application number ready. After downloading your result, check the cutoff percentiles for your target colleges. Top MBA institutions usually require 95 percentile or above. Apply separately to business schools using your CMAT scorecard. Start preparing for group discussions and personal interviews as they are important stages for selection. Also, carefully track admission deadlines to avoid missing any opportunities. That's all about how to download the CMAT 2026 result. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe College Dunia Exams for more CMAT and other exam updates. Thank you for watching and all the best for your results.